Last trading day of the month, July 30th, 2021. It's about 9:10 a.m. I am about done for the day. I've had a couple of trades. 3 trades, 2 break-evens, and I'm sitting at plus 18 right now. And one of my trades was at 2 a.m. because I woke up real early this morning, but overall, not the best day as far as movement. It hasn't been real volatile, kind of just grindy. I've had some recent volatility come in here and volume has picked up, but being that it's Friday, probably going to call it a day. But we'll see. I'll watch it maybe till 10 or so. So my trade here was to take out these highs here off of this failure, these lows, and after the break here, this is where I entered on this imbalance push up and came up and came down to take me out at break even after we broke the highs, and then real nice rally all the way up here to the 62. So my expectation, being that I was in at 24, was to break these highs, the overnight high, and kind of come up into this area. So, and then I had another try right at the open, which was definitely pretty aggressive at 655, being so close to the open, but that was in here. Expectation to take out that overnight high, and once we broke the highs, I got a little bit of equity on that trade, and then it came down and to take me out, and then this spike down happened, and then we just kind of grinded up, kept breaking up into new highs. We have this untested supply, this thinly traded area that we're pushing up into, and then all of this previous value area here. So hard to trade up into this supply, but likely we were looking to come up into the 74, and we didn't quite get there before the sell-off. So then at that point I was just watching for the short side trades if we were going to come back down into range, and that's exactly what we did. Came back down into yesterday's range, came all the way back down to the really close to the value area high, and then close to the point of control, and then we had this nice failure. So at this failure and this imbalance push up, I'm starting to consider that maybe the bears are not in control, and I would be looking for a setup to get long. We had this push down and then up into, see if we were going to break back up into the overnight high, and then we had this failure, and then we had this little push up here, and this is where I got long at around 55. Entered aggressively there to come up into this untested area, this untested supply here at 72, and that was my last trade. And so we'll see what happens if the bulls are going to be able to maintain this upper side of value and push out a range. Then maybe I might be able to get another long up in to challenge some of this upper side of value, but we'll see.